Hey there, Sean Bailey, and welcome to this video where I'm going to give you a look at a video that I produced here before that explains how to get paid from your lead magnets. So lead magnets are what you give away, some free information that you give away to get people to get leads into your funnels, but I'm going to show you ways that you can incorporate like affiliate links and ways that you can get paid just from giving away these free items, these free lead magnets. So let's take a look inside the video. Here, welcome to day 17, and today we've got a special treat for you. Today we're going to talk about how to get paid from your lead magnet. Sound good or what? Yes, I think so too. So one of the best ways to do this is to embed some kind of link in your lead magnet, especially if you're doing some type of free report, anything PDF, something where they're reading it and they can click on something. Now, if it's a video, you can have a section at the end of your video where you have a link pop up on the screen. You can have, there's ways in YouTube that you can set up little links in the description. You have lots of options as far as using this technique here. Now, the main thing is that that link directs to, if you've got another product, some type of product to sell, fantastic, link to that. You could use some type of affiliate link. So if you're an affiliate to a product, right, and they click on this link, they go over, check out that product, they buy it, you will get a commission, a percentage of that sale, all just for directing them over towards that. So for people who are just starting out and typically don't have a bunch of products to link to, affiliate links are very handy. Okay. Now this link, it could go to, if you have other sales funnels set up, it could go to that, other sales pages, link them over to that, or it could link them to a squeeze page or maybe back to your blog because you have some type of lead capture set up on your blog, or you've used some of the techniques that I've shown you for your blog and you want to direct traffic over there, just so that they've got something, so it isn't just here's a report and then just a dead end. We want to have some type of link, something else in there, and why not use it possibly to get paid from it, right? So I'm going to show you kind of how I did that. So if we take a look here, so this is just kind of a blueprint that I did up in PowerPoint. All it is some funnel blueprints for people to download and check out here. So what I did though is underneath in each one of these, you can see how my cursor changes. And the link is to seanbailey.com/product. So if they click that, that will take them over to a sales page where people can see different stuff that I sell. But as you can see, it's embedded on each page here. And all I had to do was just highlight this and change that to a link when I was creating the actual document, right? So that could be, like I say, a link to a product, link to your own affiliate. If you have affiliate links, you can send that over to and start getting traffic towards those and make some affiliate sales. So that's it. Check out the links underneath this video here and start banging out your own lead magnet. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you liked it. If you want to watch this video again without all of me talking in front of it, you can watch it inside my special funnel school that I'm giving people 100% free access to for a limited time here. And you can watch this video. You can also see I've got, for members only, a special link in here, 15 ways to create a high-value lead magnet in less than 30 minutes. That is for members only, but you can get access underneath this video if you click. This is a limited time marketing experiment. This product will be going back up for sale here, but for a limited time, I'm letting people in so they can access Funnel School and try it out. So go ahead and click below or go to seanbailey.com/funnel school special, and I will see you inside.